today's our lecture is math subject, and today we are going to learn introduction of tens. Before starting the lesson, I this picture. Can you see this? Can you see this? Okay. See, first there are flowers. Tell me how many flowers are there?
1, 2, 3.
Three flowers are there. Yes. Then there are balls. There are some balls. Count how many balls are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balls.
Very good. There are 6 balls. And kites. See how many kites are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 7.
Very good. There are 7 kites. And stars. Tell me how many stars are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 stars. Okay. You see, we see here there are some flowers. Means there are 3 flowers. There are balls. How many balls? 6 balls. Yes. And kites. How many kites are there? 7 kites. Yes.
7 kites.
And how many stars are there?
8 stars.
No, 8. 9 stars. Yes. There are 9 stars. These all numbers are 1 digit number. Yes. Only 1 digit. 3, 6, 7, 9, 8. Yes. All these digit means all these numbers are 1 digit. Means unit. We write these all numbers in unit place. Okay. See here. This is units. We write here 1 to 9 numbers. Yes. We write here 1 to 9 numbers. Yes.
Yes, teacher.
But we write here 10 number. 10 number right here.
No, teacher.
No. Yes. We can't write here 10 because 10 is 2 digit number. Yes. 10 is 2 digit number. Okay. For 10, we have to make 2 columns. Yes. For 10 number, we have to write here tens and units. 10 come in here. 1 in 10 number, there are 2 digits. 0 come here and 1 come here. Okay. See, I have some bangles. Yes. Okay, see how many bangles I have. Count with me. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And then again
3,
6,
7, 8,
8,
9,
9, and
10.
if we count these all bangles one by one, these all come in 1 digit. Okay. But we tie these bangles, we keep all bangles together, then it become what?
10.
It becomes 10. Yes, 10. But when we take these bangles one by one, then all these bangles are 10 units. Yes. 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units. We say na.
Yes, teacher.
Same way, but we tie this one. We tie these all bangles together. Then it become 1 tens. It become 1 tens. Okay. See, I have some sketch pen. Some sketch pen means all these sketch pens are 10 sketch pens. But we take 1, 2. Yes. Count with me. 3,
4, 5,
5, 6,
7,
7,
8, 9,
and
10.
10. All these sketch pen are 10. But when we when we take all these sketch pen separately, then it became 10 units. Okay. But when we make bunch of this, it becomes 110. Yes, it become 110. You understand?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. If we keep these all separate sketch pen, then these are 10 units. These are 10 units. But we make bundle of these all sketch pen, then it become 110. This become 110. Same way, I have some pens. I have some pens. Count. 2, 2 units. Yes, 2 units.
3 units.
4, 5,
5 units.
6,
7,
8,
8,
9, 10 units. Yes, these are 10 units. But we tie these all pens together same way, then it become 110. Yes, it become
110.
110. Yes, these are 110. Yes, 110. 10 units means 110. Yes, 10 units means 110. Yes. Okay. So, our topic is introduction of tens. Standard first, subject mathematics, and topic name is introduction of tens. See, there is one block and he is saying something. I am the ones place, means unit place. I represent all the single digit numerals from 0 to 9. We are called ones because we only have one digit. See here, 0 to 9 number come in only unit place. Yes, all these numbers come in unit place. And after 9, all numbers come in 10 place to 99. Okay. See, here given 1 to 10. But 1 ones, 2 ones, 3 ones means 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units. Yes, all this comes in unit place. 1 ones, say after me, 1 ones,
1 1,
2 ones,
2 1,
3 ones,
3 1,
4 ones,
4 1,
5 ones,
5 1,
6 ones,
6 1,
7 ones,
7 1,
8 ones,
8 1,
9 ones,
9 1,
10 ones.
10 1.
10 ones means all 110. Yes, 10 ones means
110.
yes, 10 ones means 110.
110.
See, 10 is the first and the smallest 2-digit number. Yes, see, in 10 numbers there are 2 digits. We see all these numbers 1 to 9 numbers come in only one place, in unit place. Yes, 1 to 9 number come in only unit place. But after 9, then 10. 10 is the 2-digit number. Yes, 10 is the 2-digit number. And that's why we own 2 tables for 10. See, there are some small circles. Yes, colorful circles. Count how many circles are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Right. And we have to make 10. How many circles we need? We have to make 10 circles. Then how many circles we need?
2 circles.
Very good. 2 circles. If we put here 2 circles, then become here 10 circles means 1 unit, 1 tens. Yes, we put here 2 circles or draw there 2 circles, then it become 10. Yes,
Yes, teacher.
then it become 110. Yes, 110. See how many circles are there?
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 circles.
Yes, 4 circles are there. But we need some more circles for making 10. How many circles we need here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very good. We need 6 circles more to become 10. Yes. Okay. Then it will become 110. Yes. If we put here 6 more circles, then it become 10 units. Yes. 10 units means 110. Yes.
10.
Okay. See, I will tell you one story. There is one boy and his name is Chintu. And today is his birthday. So he called his friends. His friends are, you know his friends. Who is his friends? His friends are some numbers. 1 to 10 numbers. Okay? His friends are 1 to 10 numbers. So he called his all friends for his birthday. Then they enjoy birthday. Then they sit for, okay, see, 1 to 10 numbers are coming for birthday. Then what happened? See, they all are sitting on chair. See, 1, 2, 3 numbers are sitting on chair. Yes, you see? All means all numbers are sitting on the chair. See, 1, 2, 3 is 1, 2, 3 numbers are sitting on the chair. 4, 5, 6 numbers are also sitting on the chair. 7, 8, 9 numbers are also sitting on the chair. But when the turn of 10, they can't sit on the chair. Why? The number 10 is can't sitting on the chair. Why? Because 10 is 2-digit number. That's why when one number. 10 is 2-digit number. That's why 10 is not sitting on the chair. When they try to sit on the chair, 0 is fall down and 1 is sitting on chair. Then what happens? See, then when 0 try to sit on the chair, 1 is fall down. Then what happened? Then Chintu's mummy come and she said 10 is 2-digit number. 10 is 2-digit number. That's why they can't sit on one chair. Yes. That's why she given 2 chairs for 2 numbers. See, we give the names of 2 chairs. Zero's chair name is unit and 1 chair name is tens. See here? Yes, you see? Now 10 number is sitting properly on chair. Yes? You see here? 10 number is sitting properly on the chair. How many chairs they need for sitting?
2 chairs.
Yes, 2 chairs they need. Because 10 number can't sit in one place. Yes? 10 number can't sit in one place. That's why mummy given 2 chairs for 10 number. 10 is 2-digit number. And see here, we write in unit place. Means unit chair there is 0 number. And in 10 place there is 1 number. Yes? You see?
Yes, teacher.
10 is the first. I told you before also 10 is first and the smallest 2-digit number. See 2-digit numbers. See 1 and 0 2-digit number. Yes, 1 and 0 means 10 and 10 is 2-digit number. Okay, see 10 and unit. 1 means unit. We write these all. Means after 9 to 99 we write in 10 place and unit place. See, 10 ones means 10 units. See, in left side, before equal sign, there are some blocks. Yes, some blocks count. How many blocks are there? Before equal sign, huh? Before equal sign. How many blocks are there? Separate blocks?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10.
9, 10. Yes, 10. But all these blocks are sitting separately. Yes, they are not together. And see in right side, they all blocks are in together. Yes, together means. And see in left side, they are separate. They are separate. Because of that, we call this 10 units or 10 ones. And when we keep all this together, then it become 110. Yes, 110. Okay, see there are some flowers. Tulip flowers are there. See in left side, how many flowers are there?
9, 10.
1, 2,
Is there
3,
10 flowers?
6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
20 flowers.
10.
10 flowers. In left side, there are 10 flowers. In your right side, there are 10 flowers.
20.
No, we don't add. Don't add. Only tell me there are some separate flowers now. There are some separate flowers. Yes. Then their flowers are 10 flowers. Means 10 units. Yes. Separate flowers are there. And then we make bouquet of these flowers. Then it become 110. Yes. 110. See. Here become 110. And here these flowers are separate. Yes. These flowers are separate. Then it become 10 units. And when we make bouquet of these flowers, then it become 110. 110. Yes. There are some balloons. How many balloons are there?
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10.
10 balloons means how many units? 10 balloons means
10 units.
10 units. Very good. 10 balloons means 10 units. And when we tie all these balloons together, then how many 10 become? 110. Yes. When we tie all these balloons together, then it become 110. Okay. See how many apples are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 apples are there. Yes. 10 apples means how many units?
10 units.
10 units. And when we put all these apples together, then how many units become? How many tens become?
10 units.
No. Only all these apples we keep together in bowl. Okay. Then how many 10 become? 110. Very good. See? Same again. Here are some blocks. Yes? You have to tell me all together how many tens and how many units. Okay? See? There is one line of blocks. Means all blocks are together. Yes? See how many blocks are together?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. Yes, 10 blocks are together means it is 110. Yes, 110.
110.
Yes, and separate blocks. Tell me how many separate blocks are there?
1, 2, 4.
We have to write here what? 1. 110. Yes. We write here 110 and blocks. Blocks. 4. Yes. Means 110 and 4 units. Yes. We write this way. 110 and 4 units. Yes. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Am I correct? Okay.
Yes, teacher.
See next. See next. Now tell me how
1,
many.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 blocks.
10 blocks. 10 blocks means 1 tenth. Yes. 10 blocks means 10 units. And we make one line of blocks here. That's why it become 110. And separate blocks.
1.
1. Yes. 110 and 1 units. Yes. Correct. 110 and 1 unit
Yes.
means 11. We say 11. Yes. 110 and 1 unit we say 11. Yes. Correct.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. See. Here is some eggs. Here are some eggs.
1, 2,
See. Okay. Listen first. Listen first. Beta.
7, 8.
See, there is one basket. In basket, how many eggs are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. Yes, 10. Yes, very good. 10 eggs are there in the basket. Means this is one bunch of eggs. Yes. See, all eggs are in basket. Means all eggs are together. That's why it is 110. Yes. And separate eggs. How many separate eggs are there?
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. Very good. Means 110 and 7 units. Yes, correct. 110 and 7 units. 110 and 7 units means which number?
17.
Very good. 17. 110 and 7 units means 17. Very good. We have to write here 17 number. Oh, same way I have. You see the picture?
Yes.
Okay. See, there is one basket. There are some apples. Yes. In one basket, how many apples are there? Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So, 10 apples are there.
10.
Yes. In basket, there are
2 units.
yes, 10 basket means 110 and 2, yes, 2 apples are separate.
2 units.
Two apples are separate. We say, we write here. We write here what? 1. Yes? And here is why 2 units. 110 means here is 110. We have to write here in 10 place 1. And
1 10 and 2 units.
yes, correct. Here are 2 apples, 1 and 2, and we write here in unit place or in 1 place
2 units.
units, 2 units, and here we write all these numbers together 12. Yes, 110 and 2 units means 12. We write here 12 number. Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Okay. See. Okay, see, here are 10 apples. Yes, 10 apples means 110. Yes, 10 apples means And how many units? 5 units. Here we write 110 and here we write 5 units. Means fourth, which number we have to write here? 110. 50. Very good. 110, 5 units means 50. Okay. Now who tell me?
1, 2, 3.
110.
10 units. 10 units.
Units are not there. We keep here 2 buckets of apples. Yes, we keep here separate apples. We keep here separate apples.
110.
210. Yes.
210.
We write only. Yes. 110. Here is also 110. Here is also 110. Yes.
110
No, there is no any unit, beta. How? See here. Here is any separate apples are there? No. Yes. Here is only bucket of apples. 2 buckets of apples. Yes.
210.
Means 210. See, here is also 10 apples and here is also 10 apples. And then we say 2 tens. 110, 210. And then we write 2 number here. And 10, we know in 110 there are 10 units. Means एक 10 जो एक 10 है means 110 है उसमें how many apples are there? 10 apples. Here is also 10 apples. 10 plus 10 means 20. Yes?
20.
Yes. Means there are total apples are 20. Then we write 2 number here and 0 number in unit place. Yes? Unit place there is no any. We write 10. Yes? 110 means 10 units. We write 1 here and 0 here. Then 2 units means 2 number here and 0 number is here. Yes? And here we write 20 number. Yes? Correct?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now, how many tens and how many units?
3.0 units.
Now, answer is given here, but you tell me. Here is 110. Yes? 110,
110.
210 and 310.
310 and 0 units.
See, in 110, there is 10 apples. See, in one basket, there are 10 apples. Means 110, 10 units. 110, 10 units. 110, 10 units. Same way. 3 tens. 3 tens, we write 3 number here. And unit place, we write 0 number. Yes, okay. Then we write here 30 number. Yes, 3 tens means 30. Yes.
Yes, teacher.
And 4 tens means what? Tell me 4 tens means
0 units.
4 tens means 40. 4 tens 0 unit means 40. 5 tens 0 unit means 50. Yes. Okay. Now tell me you understand this concept? Tens?
Yes. Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. This is enough today. Okay. Thank you.
Ada.